Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roxy for those of you who are new. In this video, I'm going to be styling my Pixie, but I'm also going to be taking you guys along with me for the next 2 days. So tonight, tomorrow, the whole day tomorrow, and about half of the day after. I hope that makes sense because I do have to go to the gym, so that's a given. My hair is not gonna last after going to the gym. It's gonna be wet, it's gonna be all over the place, so that's why I'm giving you guys 2 days. I just relaxed my hair. If you guys want to watch that video, I just posted it. It's my 10-minute relaxer video where I kept the relaxer in my hair for a 10-minute max. So before I style my hair, I'm going to be using this flat iron spray. This is from Tresemme. Oh, this spray smells so good. It honestly, the scent reminds me of the Britney Spears Fantasy in the little purple pink circular bottle perfume. I'm going to be styling my hair using my 1-inch flat iron. I also set up my 1/2-inch flat iron as well. My method for styling my hair is to curl as much as my hair as possible. So this is how it's looking so far, pretty much over curled. Okay, so my hair is pretty much curled all over. Well, as tight as possible. Hopefully I don't have any missing spots, but I'm pretty confident that I got most of it. So now I'm just going to use some of my olive oil hair dress. It's like a moisturizing cream lotion. It's one of my favorite ones. Okay, so I'm just running it on the sides and the back. So next I'm going to put on my head tie. Usually if I was going to wear it the same day, I would take my wide tooth comb and really rake and comb it out. But I'm just going to take my scarf now and just really just tie it down. Just for like an extra step, I'll put my bonnet or any bonnet on that I have. So this is pretty much how I prepare my hair to go to bed. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, good morning. So it's about 8:30 right now. I haven't taken off my head tie yet. I'm gonna take it off right now. So my hair is looking like this. So this is what the back looks like. I'm just taking some of the same moisturizing lotion and I'm just running it through my hair. So I'm just trying to make myself look half decent just in case I need to, you know, go on video for any reason, which is very unlikely.
Bye. 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 You didn't get to say bye.
That's not nice.
No, just go to the
You want to say hi to the vlog?
You just say hi to them.
Who, me? I already did.
I'm not saying bye. I'm not saying bye. You're saying that the world is over.
Yeah, it doesn't look like super exceptional, but it's like perfect for every day. For like another day before I go to the gym, pretty much. Whew. All right, so it's like late at night. It's about, I want to say 10:30. Cassidy was in my hair, playing in my hair. My hair obviously doesn't look as good as it did last night when I just curled it. I mean, it's still okay for like an everyday look. The only thing I'm gonna do is, like I always do, put some more moisturizing lotion in just a little bit, and I'm gonna tie it down with a scarf. Hey, it's the next day and I took off my scarf and my hair is pretty much looking like this. It's basically flat, right? But the good thing about wearing a scarf... You saying hi? Okay.
Hi.
Okay, so like I was saying before the kids interrupted me, the good thing about like wrapping down your hair is that if I wasn't to wrap down my hair would be like this, like up, like I got electrocuted, as opposed to it just being nice and flat. Obviously I don't have the same curls that I had on the first night that I curled it nice and tight, but it does make a big difference like on the second day when you do like tie it down at night as well. Okay, now I'm just gonna take some mousse, especially for the back, the lower back and the sides. And I'm going to just place a little bit at the side. Just to kind of just set it. Because they've definitely kicked up over time. So, hope you Alright, then I'm just going to take 1 or 2 wrap strips. Okay, and this doesn't take that long to dry. I could go under the dryer or I can just go about my day before I actually leave and it'll still dry. Wait, this feels uncomfortable. But this is pretty much how I refresh my hair after a couple days. So that I don't have to like wash it again, wrap it again in its entirety at least, and then curl it again. It kind of just makes, it's like a little refresh. I hope it's dry. I sat under the dryer for like 5 minutes. I was like, what the heck? And yeah, so it looks like this right now. And then obviously I'm gonna go in with some moisturizing cream. I find that it just prevents your hair from getting dried up and looking dried up. Huh?
The big one.
Yeah, girl.
Big one.
Cassidy's here. So the back looks like this. Oh, if you guys can see. So the back looks like that. I have no idea what the back looks like. But all I know is that it's flatter than before. Honestly, it looks better than day one to me, than the day one curl. It looks nice. Like this. So this is basically the touch up. So I have to go to the gym later. Usually when I go to the gym after I sweat out my hair, it just looks flat, wet, all the curls are gone. I just look crazy. So I'm gonna try using like a foam wrap or not. Here, let me open it.
No, I like that
I'm gonna
one.
have this one.
I like that one.
Oh wait, give me a second, sis. Give me a second, okay?
I like that one.
It's not for you, honey.
I want to wear it.
Let me try it on. I'm literally trying to balance.
I don't need this.
Feel this. Okay, I kind of like this one better. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to the gym I'm leaving in about 20 minutes to get Santasha, but I'm just showing you guys this foam mesh wrap here. And this is what I'm gonna use today to hopefully preserve my hair. Like, I know it does make it better because I'm moving all over the place. It does make it better because it keeps the hair in place and the foam is going to absorb the sweat, and once it dries, it'll hopefully dry back like this.
Peanut punch.
No, sweetie, we don't have any peanut punch.
Why?
I didn't buy any more. I'll buy you some later, okay? So this is going to be her for today. After I come back, I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like. So if it does work out, then maybe we can keep this style for like another day and a half, 2 days, maybe an extra, before I like really just want to wash it again and rewrap it. Alright, so I just came back from the gym. I'm gonna take this off. So we're looking like this. This is like such a realistic 2 to 3 days. I mean, if I wanted to, I could moisturize this and tie it down with a scarf, but realistically I want to wash my hair. But if I wanted to, I could stretch this out again, moisturize it, tie it down tonight, and then do the same touch-up thing tomorrow, like if I need to go on the road. Yeah, so let me show you the back. So it looks like this. Cass, you stealing my stuff? I mean, it's not too bad, actually. Not too bad. So this little foam wrap definitely helps. I guess the foam kind of traps in the sweat and obviously keeps your hair flat. Yeah, so I don't look too shabby. I'm not looking crazy. When I don't wear anything on my head, like it looks like the sides are lifted. It looks so nasty. But anyway, I just wanted to carry you guys with me on like my 2 to 3 day journey with like styling my hair, wrapping it at night. It's not perfect, definitely not perfect. It's like honestly just a journey. Yeah, so I don't know, short hair is not easy, but if you have like a good cut, it makes it easier. And obviously practice makes perfect. Actually, practice makes progress. I shouldn't say perfect because it's never gonna be perfect unless you're like really good. Alright, so that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and taking this little 2-3 day journey with me. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.